quiet of the evening, when the sky forgets to shine, I hear echoes of your laughter drifting softly through my mind. And though the seasons turn and time can't be undone, I still feel your warmth in the fading sun. You were the song in my silence, the calm in my stormy sky. Forever, even now you're the whisper that the wind can't hide. I close my eyes, and you're there like a prayer, falling gently like the rain. Oh, love remains even through the pain. There were nights I held your letters, tracing words with trembling hands. Now the pages feel like petals blown away in foreign lands. But even in the dark, I still see your face, like moonlight on the water, time can't erase. Oh, you were the song in my silence, the calm in my stormy sky. You stay, even now you're the whisper that the wind can't hide. I close my eyes, you're there like a prayer, falling gently like the rain. Love remains even through the pain. And I still believe in you, in every breath and every hue. Through all the tears I've cried,